What the fuck? Dude, it's so... The shade is making, like, even text glow. It actually looks sort of cool, dude. Wait, where the fuck is that, armored fucking car? What do I do with that chat? That's not it, right? Fuck. I can't remember where I put it.
Brandon, what's your sanity? Is it 1002?
Yeah. Yeah, it is steady. Oh my god, can we fuck this pig?
Hey, back up.
Is that your mama, Taco?
No, it's my girlfriend.
That's crazy. She got skinny legs and arms just like you, but fat as fuck.
You guys should be able to hire people too
fuck
if like, anyone ever
you.
needs it.
I'm so fucking hot here. Look at this. I look so fucking
Jordan,
good.
you gotta
My
look at the
passport
stash
picture.
at the meth lab. Fucking stash.
Really? Oh yeah, so you need to bring the pillows.
Yeah, we got cocaine up there. We got body parts. We got meth tables. Soon to have crack. And then soon to have meth. Soon to have heroin. And soon to have marijuana.
Colombiano.
One of these,
Hey, it's a me, friend of Siso, eh?
Colombiano.
Hey, Mr. K, I sold my soul to a ball and orb that gives me magical powers and tells me the answer to things, but I have to kill somebody and take their soul. Can you help me?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Hey, Taco, want to come for a drive up into the hills?
Come on, it'll be
Hell
nice.
no.
What the fuck?
You ain't killing me, but I'll come.
Fine.
Like my pick and come with me.
How do I take out somebody's soul? I've never done this before.
Well, I think you just kill him and suck the soul out of him.
Okay, that sounds easy. Where the fuck is my car, bro?
Your Hummer?
Yeah, who
poofed?
stole that shit? I don't fucking know, bro.
I poofed.
Oh, god damn it.
Ew.
You're coming, Chow.
Yeah, that bitch and I. Yo, shout out Lick and the Hubbard, but that's too much bacteria.
Yo, Dime.
Fat fuck.
What the fuck?
Stupid fat pig.
That wasn't funny.
Yo, can you turn this fucking music up, bro?
I thank God. Fuck.
About fucking time, bro.
You like the music? What's wrong with it?
Bro, I'm trying to fucking chill out right now and not listen to fucking music. I'm about to kill somebody with and take their soul off them, bro.
Ah, gotcha.
Oh, I see someone standing up.
Okay, that's great. It's about the bike.
My find his drone. Hey,
He's not there, Tim.
that's what I think. I did it perfect.
It's changing.
Kill Jalen, bro. Fuck it.
Oh, fuck. You want to take me to the store? I need to get a knife, bro. Take me to the gun store, bro. I buy a knife, bro. Ain't I stabbing people with it?
Jen, you could have lost your
What are
fucking
those
life.
red lights halfway up the fucking hill
He
there?
almost killed your ass.
I've never noticed that before.
Yeah, you almost died.
Oh, yeah, let me get back on the radio.
Exactly.
You even got chefed up, fam.
You might go chefed up, yeah?
Yeah.
Guys inside?
We out at Insanity Shores, Ammunition.
Ah, cool. I'm at the compound with all the goods.
Okay.
I got an idea. We get somebody, put them in the boat, and tie bricks to their feet and throw them in the ocean.
Okay.
Doesn't that sound great?
Oh, you think the clowns at the clown house? Fucking kill them.
I don't think clowns have souls. They're pieces of shit.
True.
Fucking loser clowns, bro. Fucking cringe. Who would even have a soul in the city? Everyone's a piece of shit.
Everyone got a soul now, Francine.
That's not true, bro. That's not true. Gingers don't have
Everybody
souls.
got a soul.
I seen on National Geographic.
Yeah. Same. It was on YouTube.com geographic show.
Gotcha.
It was the truth. Oh my god, Carmine's such a pussy, bro. What the fuck are we doing with those pricks? Why the fuck is that other guy hanging around us now, bro? I fucking shot him in the head.
No, I wanted the same thing.
Just thinks he can take me hostage and shoot me in my skull and then be my homie, bro?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's kill Carmine.
Yeah, okay.
Come on.
I'll suck his soul out of his ass. An ass soul.
Good one, Franny. Good one.
I was thinking of it myself.
Damn, game looking clean as shit. Might be time to make a 5K video tonight, boys. Should I'll turn on the rain for it, just so everyone thinks the game looks good. Dude, look how nice it looks in the city here, though, for real. All the lighting and shit that Z did around the middle hub is so juicy. WiseGuy is moving IRL. I'm not sure. I think I'm not sure like how busy he is and shit like that, but he's got IRL shit happening at the moment.
Gotta be somebody with a good cut. All these cars and no people?
I just want somebody's soul. Jesus Christ.